Ready? The way these crimping lugs are made up, it's a standard crimping lug that we've milled and put an adjuster on. The adjustment's there for while these are in use.
Yeah.
The wear on them will start getting a gap. When you got the gap, you're going to move your adjuster out, so you always keep a little bit of pressure on these. The way these are worked, they got 2 springs in here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it. You got a straight one on the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, it goes. The spring on the bottom is a little bit thicker. It's a straight piece of steel that goes underneath it. The upper one's arced. And what it does is when you don't have any air pressure on it, it puts pressure on this and pushes the straight piece down, which deflates your pieces. Each one of these acts like a finger. When you go to put these together, the easiest thing to do is never put the tube protector between these and the bladder.
Okay.
All right. But to put it together, take a piece of
For sliding purposes.
Yeah. Take a piece, you just slide this in. Now if you look straight down here, say you've got the 2 fingers, they're actually hitting the sides.
So you're going to lock those together? Or?
Yes. Easiest way of doing it. I made these up, it's nothing special, it's just some of our shim stock. You're going to put one here. You can take this and you're going to push both fingers down, straight down, put a little bit of pressure, and they slide together. If you didn't have one of these, trying to get these together is not going to be easy. I mean, you can use a screwdriver, you can use, if you got like a Swiss Army knife, just something to put pressure down on those 2 pieces as you're pushing
pressure. Yeah.
And I mean, you ever take one of these fully apart, you put all the pieces in, you don't snap them together, it's actually going to take up a full piece here. Once you snap everything together, you'll be able to fit one more piece in.
So they all, and that's the stock length right there.
Yes.
They're all going to be that short.
You can have special length pieces that you'll need. You need to let us know, and we'll make those special per shaft or what's needed. Always make sure, if you're ever worried about your
making sure that the crimping.
When you put these together, a lot of guys don't realize this. When you work on these things, what you want to make sure is the edge of your bladder fits inside the pocket here. If you go too far and you actually hit here, it'll leak. A lot of the guys don't realize that. Right. You either want to shorten it a little bit with a razor knife or a pair of scissors, or if you've got it's just a little bit too long, just slide it back a little bit. You always want to make sure that your edge is sitting in this pocket.
Okay.
All right.
To get a good seal.
Yeah.
It's a good tip.
Oh yeah, a lot of the new guys don't realize that. You just slide it in, make sure your gap is taken up.
See how that takes up the slot? Yeah.
And then just tighten this up. I mean, you don't want to go nuts on it, but here.
Hand tighten.
Just hand tighten.
Yeah, okay.
Right? And then you're done.